Hello everyone. Well, this episode video is very different from the videos that I post because I wanted to warn you, my followers or whoever's watching this video. Last February 28th, Friday, my Facebook account was hacked. So right now, I do not have my old Facebook account. My account, which was with me for 16 years. So all the memories, all the photos, the timelines, history, accomplishments of my daughter, my family, right? And I go, last Friday, when my account was hacked, I could not think. I could not function. I was overwhelmed. I was traumatized. And the reason I'm talking about this is because I don't want it to happen to you. This is modern day hacking. And that's because of AI. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D. My goal is to empower women, especially when we're getting older, to not feel that you are being left out, to not feel that you're not good enough, that you're not pretty enough, that you are not valuable, because honestly, we're like grapes. We're like wine, rather. We taste better when we age, right? Okay, anyway, this is what happened. So Friday, I was very busy working on some projects, and then I was focusing on my projects, and then I had my Facebook open on my main computer. I was working on my tablet, and then I saw this pop up, and it was a message sent to me threatening me that if I didn't protect my Facebook account, it was going to be deleted permanently. I go like, oh my gosh, no, it can't be. That can't happen. I don't want my Facebook to get deleted or taken down. Like, I didn't do anything. And I didn't even realize I saw it, and I'm going to have photos while I'm talking about this. It was a message that came through a page that I manage. My old Facebook account managed 5 different pages. Based on my latest check today, 2 of those pages are still up and running. I just could not access them. They're there, and I don't know why they're still there, because they were created from my old account. So if you have any feeling or any clue why it's up there, considering my main account has been taken down, please let me know, because I don't want anyone to access those accounts. One is a page for my youngest daughter that I used to manage. She's a musician. And the other one is a page of my online TV show, eveRIAthing. Anyways, so now I'm thinking, like, if you have any clue as to why they're both up there, because I would think they should be down. I don't want them to be down because they have their followings, but why are they up there? I'm just thinking right now as I'm speaking, because this is very impromptu. I just thought I should warn you. Anyway, that message came through my Ria Jade page. And the profile name sounded like a user account control. So sounded very legit. And I saw, and it said, like warning or whatever. I'm going to show it here. It was very threatening that if I didn't retrieve or protect my account, my Facebook account, it's going to be deleted permanently. And there was a link. And see, I trained at work how to protect ourselves from fraud, from scam. And for some reason, the threat was overwhelming that I clicked on that link. I know, you're telling me why. I know, like, why? I've been beating myself up since Friday and Saturday, but I feel better now after the weekend. What's done is done, right? It's my fault. I clicked on the link. Of course, I entered my Facebook password, my birth date, and it asked for a phone. And come to think of it, my phone was not even linked to that Facebook. And now I have my phone on there. And so after that, bam, it said, your account has been suspended. Oh my gosh. I was cold. I was threatened. I was shaking. And I could not think, and I was cold. And it said, okay, retrieve your account right away. So I followed the instructions, like, enter the code, we'll send it to your phone number, give the code, and I would type the code. And for all you know, who knows, I was maybe talking to the hacker, giving him my code and all. So the more I was giving him access, I didn't know even. I don't know. I was just responding on impulse because I go like, my account. And I've tried, and he said, we were going to send it to another device. I'm trying to think now while I'm talking to you because it was sending. I checked my phone for a code, none. I checked my tablet. I checked my different emails. And see, it knew. That hacker knew that I had my alternate email. I'm just thinking right now because it sent a code not to my Facebook email, but to my recovery email. I'm just glad now that Facebook actually disabled my account because that's my recovery email. And I think I got codes in 3 emails. And this is alarming. Suddenly I'm thinking. But the reason I'm doing this episode is to warn you. Back in the day, you would know if it was a hacker because the subject would be threatening, but the body of the email would show lots of grammatical errors, spelling errors. This was impeccable. The grammar and spelling were perfect. It sounded very legitimate. And that's why I told you about AI at the start of this video. Because they use AI. Like, and then AI will deliver a perfectly written message. And that's why I fell for it. Now, I was down. I was trying to, nothing happened. And I was able to talk to their support team. And then they said, okay, we'll get back to you after a few days. But see, I'm not pinning my hopes on it 100%. I'm still hoping because it said I can still, what did it say? It said I can still redeem my account within 180 days, which is 6 months. So we'll see. But in the meantime, I have created a new Facebook account. And then after a few hours, I said, oh my God, let me check that link that I clicked on. So I copied the link into a browser, which is what we should do instead of clicking the link, right? So I copied it and it brought me to a website. And then I felt so numb because it had writing that I did not understand. So it definitely was a different language. And I go like, that's it. That's it. I just gave away my account. So now I'm asking you a question. Has your account ever got hacked? Do you think that the alternate email address of that hacked account would be at risk? So let me know because I am honestly, seriously thinking about that, right? Maybe I have to change my password or whatever, right? But so now I'm waiting. I'm still waiting from Facebook. I got my Instagram account verified. And here's another thing. When I clicked on that link and Facebook disabled my account, their message said they disabled my account because my supposed Instagram account was in violation of guidelines, meta guidelines. And see, this is not my Instagram account. And obviously, and I tried to search that on Instagram and it didn't show up. It's obviously a bot, right? So that managed to actually unlink my Instagram from my real Facebook, and that Instagram linked itself to my Facebook. And of course, Instagram and Facebook, part of Meta, and that's why my Facebook got disabled. So what I did, the first thing I did was I verified my Instagram because that's what Reddit suggested. That's what everyone online in online security suggested, to verify your Instagram account, meaning your Instagram account has a blue circle or check mark. So my Instagram has that. And they said that if you have an Instagram verified account, you do have access to customer support, and I was able to send them a message. So at least I got it out there, and I am just waiting. Now, if I don't get back my Facebook account right now, I am already resigned to it. I have accepted that because of my carelessness, I lost a very valuable platform. But I can always build my new Facebook account. The one more reason why I filmed this is because I've always directed you to my Facebook account for this channel, which is Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And it's no longer there. If you click on that link, or if you go to Facebook and look for my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media, it's gone. So I lost all pages except for these 2 pages, which is now another question that's bothering me, right? So it appears that while I am filming this episode, now that it's sinking in, right? Now that it's sinking in, I have all these questions. So I have to ask Facebook support for that. And I have to check out my other emails, right? That's crazy out there. So see, AI is good. It's a good tool, but because hackers are using it, then it's very hard now to know which is real. So be careful out there. This episode is not about skincare, not about beauty or feeling empowered or feeling good about yourself, because I was beating myself up when I got hacked, especially because I knew I could have avoided it. So be careful out there. I will give you feedback as soon as I hear from anybody, and then that way you know. I hope I get my account back though, especially because of the memories, the photos, the pages that I manage on there. If not, I just hope that the hacker does not do any damage to anyone, to me, my family, to the public, to my connections. The consequences are scary, and we never know what they will do, because these people have nothing better to do. So they have all the time to discover, to learn what's happening behind the scenes, and to defraud. So take care of yourself. I know this episode just popped up. I hope you found this useful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, so that you'll be there when I give an update. Wish me luck though. And if you know anyone who can help me appeal my Facebook account, please share the information, or feel free to email me. Go to my website, jackied.com. There's a contact button there, or email me at wishuponapond@gmail.com and share information and let me know, and then I can look that up and maybe I can get it back, right? So I hope you found this useful. Don't forget, give it a like, comment, share, email me if you want it private, and don't forget to subscribe. Until I see you again, I'll see you with a regular video soon, but thanks for watching and thanks for your help. Bye for now.